Hi guys and welcome back to Mohammed Rides. We're here in Toronto at the new Kennedy Eglinton Crosstown Station, and today we're going to explore the new line. Let's go. This is an installation of artworks at Kennedy Station. This here is the Scarborough Line 3 that closed down a few years ago and used to end here. We're here at our first stop, Hakimi Lebovic, and that's one of the new trams behind me. This station is a staggered station, which means one direction is on one side of the road, and then on the other side of the intersection is the other direction. We're here at our second stop, Laird, and I just noticed two funny signs. Skateboards and inline skates must be carried. We're here at Eglinton Station at the end of our journey. I hope you enjoyed this video and come back for more transport videos. Bye!